Heidi ho! Welcome to my channel, Your Finger My Ring. And I turn coins into rings, and today I'm making quite a few Finnish coins today because I've been selling a few on the market, so we got another Finnish coin. I'll just do the one, I'm not going to do loads. You've seen one, you've seen them all. So, Stevie boy. I was talking about naming my tools, and there was one I hadn't named, and somebody noticed I hadn't named another one. So Steve, if you're watching this, I'll be calling it that from now on. We'll get to that when I get there. So first of all, I've got to punch a hole in it. This is a 1/2 inch punch, yes. Put the coin in first, fella. I've been making coins most of the morning. Yeah, Steve, I loved it, man. Oh, I love both of them, but I've got to give this other guy a chance, you know. Because he was the first to make a comment. So, let's go to Big Bertha. 20 tons of metal. And bang a hole in it. How's everybody doing? This is an afternoon video, but I'll be doing this because I'm not at work today, so I'll be loading this up again the usual sort of time, 8:30, 9 o'clock. Or my girlfriend will. She does all that. She was cursing today. I've got this little tablet and I'm going to take it to the market and put a video on it and just let it run and the people can see how I make them. That might help, might not. Somebody might end up stealing my little thing. Right, what am I doing? Right, let's chuck some heat on it. Bernie the fire starter, or Bernie the Bernie. This just anneals the coin. Yeah, if any of you guys have got any good suggestions or something you'd like me to make, you know, a certain type of coin or... These make great gifts and... So it's dried off. So come on fellas, you guys are about cars. I'm not very lucky at the moment. I need some help. We'll go with this. We'll go with this sunny side up. So that goes face down. Yeah, I'm not too sure what to get. I've got a Citroen C3, the biggest piece of shit I've ever owned. I'm thinking of getting a Skoda, maybe a Fabia. Any of you guys got one? Where's my cone? There it is. This is just, I'm just going to fold this. That is now fully folded. I'll go back to the table. And yeah, guess what? I've got the sandpaper out my car after 3 days of not getting out of the car. You just want to make sure there's no imperfections or cracks forming. See, that looks a bit sad there. If you've recently subscribed in the last day or so, thank you so much. Hit the like button. Hit the share button, please. If you're new to the channel, there's a little button just about there. Hit that and you'll automatically subscribe. Right, let's take it over to Spike, my glorious ring stretcher. We need a bit of kitchen roll. There's an old bit. Shall I say it? Yeah, go on. This stretches your ring. We all like a good ring stretcher, don't we? Let's give it a bit more fire, a bit more love. Yeah, it's slow on the mark. Well, the other day was good, but today there's no ships, so I'd rather do coins. Hey, great bit of filming that was, wasn't it? See my hand? Oh, Steve, we're getting close to the name you've given my other little tool. I love it. I think it's a great name. Fair play to you, man. What size we got? A EU size. 63.5. UK size, U.5 or nearly a V, and the good old US is a size 10.5. So, yeah, let's give it another couple of pushes. Not many though. Okay, because the ones I'm making today are going to the market, but right, let's get out. You ready, Steve? Thanks to Stephen. This is now going to be called Christy Burr. It's a burring tool. I mean, how he thought of that? Fair play to you. So, this is Christy Burr. And this deburrs coins, rings. Yeah, I loved it, Steve. Fair play to you, man. Christy Burr is now born. This just cuts out the edge where you fold it over. If you don't do that, it's uncomfortable. And another guy reached out to me yesterday. Wanted to know if I've got a list or a little video of some of the tools I use. And no, I don't. But yeah, I'll put one together. I mean, I don't have a great deal of them at the moment. I mean, some guys have got like 10, 12 grand worth of stuff. I mean, I'm just a beginner, so I've just started with the basics. I suppose, what have I spent so far? Maybe £1,000, I suppose. But then I have to buy the bloody coins, that's the killer. Because I'm not using, you know, like in the States they actually use real money, like quarters and... But I don't mind. There you go. That's nice, and I'm waiting for my selfie stick to come along so I can butcher it up and get it to do a bit of Frankensteining on it. Because the actual phone holder on this, oh, my battery's going. What? Okay, hurry up. It just said my battery's getting low. Right, let's go over to the bottom end of spike. And now we'll straighten the walls. How's that looking? A bit more, a little bit more. Now I'm trying to rush because the battery's sod brushing, man. If it cuts out, I'll do another video. Easier. Oh, Jesus. Okay, get some white. There you go. The walls are now straight. It's Christy Bird. Love it. Right, let's get Kate on it. She's looking like she's just got off a motorbike. I mean, hey, Kate's looking a bit sad. She's just got off a motorbike. Or she was out last night partying. Like I've been saying, I don't hardly polish the face of the ring. I prefer the setting look. Right, let's get our other little attachment out. This one. What have we got? Is my battery going to die before I've finished this? I hope not. Yeah, if you want to check out my shop, it's yourfingermyring.com. There's quite a few rings in there at the moment. If there's one that you like and you want it slightly larger, slightly smaller, let me know and I'll happily adjust it for you. Let's give Kate a bit more of a whiz round, shall we? Yeah, she's looking definitely sad. He's getting really angry. There you go, dudes and dudettes. You've got all the detail on the inside of the ring. That's why I use the kitchen roll. And there she saw me, which means Finland. What size we got? What are going on? What's going on here? EU size. I got just under 64. So there you go, ladies and gents. Thanks, Steve. I love it, man. There you go. Have a great day, and I'll catch you tomorrow on the next one. Bye bye.